Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on VT markets. So if you want to do this, we go right here to new order and then we can create ourselves a position. If you don't want to create yourselves a position on the symbol that is standing right here, then we go to search and then search for something different. So let's search for, doesn't matter what, just do Ethereum for example. We click right here on new order, select right here the volume that you want to create yourselves a position on. Then we click right here on the plus icon and then you can throw this line to where you want it. So let's say we want it on 2100, or you can write down right here, we want this on 2K. Then we click right here. And now if we click right here on buy by market, so we dropped a little bit right there. Oh, sorry. Let's do this again to 2K. And then right now, if you click here on buy by markets, we created ourselves a position right here for Ethereum. And if you look right here to our positions, you see here in this line at SL, that means stop loss, that he will stop our losses at 2K. So when the price hit 2K, he will stop the position and then he can stop our losses right here. Besides that we are locked in or that we close the trade by ourselves. He will do this automatically. So this is how you can stop loss right here on VT markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.